Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to Fortron Academy. My name is Harshwats, and today we will be covering the topic of adding data colors and understanding conditional formatting in Power BI Desktop. Power BI Desktop is an analytical software that will help you in understanding your dataset through various visualization in different data models. Now let us go further and talk about the point to be discussed in this video. So in this video we will particularly talk about how do you add data colors in your visualization, and secondly we will talk about how do you use conditional formatting in your visualization. So to cover all these things we have to go into a Power BI desktop. So let's go to the Power BI desktop and see how does this thing works. Now we are in Power BI desktop in data model interface and specifically in report view, because you can see a visualization in here, and only in report view you can see visualization. Now let's get back to the question of this video about adding data colors. First of all, the question arises, why do we need to add data colors? Because what are data colors? First I will tell you that. Like in this visualizations you can see there are different bars of a different country that is available to us, that is Asia, Africa, and all these countries that are available to us. So if I click on here you will see all are of same color, but I want a bar of every country should be a different. How do I do that? That is kind of the thing that you do while adding data colors. So how do I do that? Earlier, in the earlier feature of Power BI desktop, we have a color option that is available in here only. But with updation, there is always changing in Power BI desktop. Now, where do we find that feature? For finding that feature, we have to go into the format section in a visualization pane. So if I click on it, you will see the option that is available to you in here, that is data colors, display data colors option. When I click on it, you will see the default color is green, and if you change any of it you can change it to red, blue. If I click on a dark blue, the color of the visualization will change. So this is how you will change the color of the data. But as I've already told you, I want a every bar of the every country in different colors. How do I do that? Certainly you can do that also in here. So if you click on show all, which is currently now off, if I on it, now you will see the color that is available in your bars, that is Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Oceania. After that, when I come back on the Asia, I will click on this color. I will choose any color according to my own choice. You can select a green color. You will see the bar of the Asia will change in a different color. Again, you can change it back to the again you can change the color of Africa also, which you can take and any particularly color which is blue, and again so on and so forth. You can change the color of every bars that is available in your visualization. Now this is one of the feature that you know, and this is simple feature through which you can change the data bars. But as of now, if you want to do it automatically, like I want to change, like where the population is high, its color should be a different one from the population where the color is low. Now I don't have to feed all this feature. I will put it again into general feature and I will click it show off and reset to default. Again we are square back into one. That means we are again back to the default feature in which the all color is green. Like I have already told you, like I want to do something in which the data bars have a different color, but that should be automatically. That means the color of the bar which has a high population should be different from the low. That requires a conditional formatting. So here come into the play, that is the feature, that is conditional formatting. So where do I do that? To that you don't have to go anywhere. In the data color section only that function is available. So in default color, when you go in front of it, you will see a feature that is three points is available in here. When you click on it, you will see an option that is conditional formatting. So I've already told you this is the only feature through which you can change the color according to your desire, that is according to the sum or anything you want. So when I click on it, there is one box that opens up and look like this. So this is how you will change the data colors automatically. So this is format by color scale. There are also scale that are available, that is rules and field values. So for now we are using only color scale. So now we will get into another option based on field. Like in this visualization, we have chosen a population because you can see in the field section what we have chosen. We have taken the population and after that region name. That means we require a population which requires a sum of population which we are using. So if you want to make any changes, you can do it by clicking in here and you will see all the three tables. And if you highlight any of the fact from this, particularly like population percent of female, you can do that. For now we are not changing much of now in this visualization, so we'll use sum of population. And if the summarization should be different from sum, like if you want to know the average, minimum, maximum, according to that the color will be defined in a conditional formatting. You can also do that, and the default formatting is also available as zero, specific color, don't format, and all these are also available. These are the basic feature you could assume from normal assumption. Now we will get into the most important point of the visualization. So minimum value will be shown in a red color and maximum value will be shown in a blue color. If you want to change the color, you can click here and choose anyone you like. And this is how you will make a conditional formatting. Like if you want to change from lowest value to custom and specifically, you can also do that. But for now we are using only high to low value. So when I click on it, you will see the visualization will change. Now you will see the blue color, which is Asia, which has the highest sum of population, is in blue color, while the red, which is of Oceania, that means that is of lowest sum of population. And while in between you can see the changes happening in your bars. So this is how you will use a conditional formatting. So you can also see in here that you have put a conditional formatting, due to which there is one box that comes after the default color, that is FX. And if you want to make changes in it, you just have to double click on it. After that you can do any changes, like if you want to change the color, I want to make it black, and this is okay. Again you will see the changes in your bars, which is in a visualization. So this is how the conditional formatting work in your visualization. So with this point, I am going to end this video and I hope your queries got cleared, and if not, kindly write us in comment section. We will surely get back to you. And if this video helped you in any way, kindly drop us a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel for amazing videos in future. Till then, have an amazing and good day.